Hello guys, my name is Manoj Kumar and I'm here to present my new Power BI project about a Mitron Bank. Here the problem statement is that Mitron Bank is a legacy financial institution headquartered in Hyderabad. They want to introduce a new line of credit cards aiming to broaden its product offerings and reach in the financial market. So I was asked by its manager to analyze the data and provide insights to the strategy team of the Mitron Bank to tailor the credit cards according to customer needs and the market trends. In the demography view, we can see that the utilization percentage including all the occupation and all the cities is 42.82%. And we can see that the total amount spent through credit card is around 216 million and through UPI is 141 million. And here we can also see the average income of male is 134 million and female is 73 million. And when it comes to spending ratio, the male spends on 60 million and the female spends around 29 million. And the average income of a married person is 167 million and the average income of an unmarried person is 39 million, and in spending ratio of a married person is 72 million and unmarried person is 17 million. And in the table which includes average income, average spend and utilization percentage according to different cities, we can see that Mumbai is a city where people utilize most of their income, and next it comes to Delhi. In the cities Mumbai and Delhi, the people utilize most of their income for their users. And here in the tree map, you can see that the total amount paid through credit card in Mumbai is 70 million, and in Bangalore it is 40 million, and Delhi is 46 million. And when it comes to different occupations, let's see for the business owners. The average utilization percentage of a business owner is around 33.22%, and the total amount spent through credit card of business owner is around 36 million, and through UPI is around 22 million. And the average income of a male business owner is around 35 million and the female is 9 million. And the average spending ratio of business owner male is 12 million and the female is 3 million. And when it comes to marital status, the married business owner average income is 36 million and for the single is 8 million. And the average spending ratio of a married business owner is around 12 million and for single is around 3 million. And here in the city-wise consideration, the average income of business owner in Bangalore is 8.1 million, in Chennai is 8.0 million, and in Delhi it is 7.88 million, and in Hyderabad it's 7.16 million. And you can see the utilization percentage that in Bangalore the utilization percentage is 33.31%, and in Chennai it's 24%, Delhi 36%, Hyderabad 28%, and in Mumbai 39%. So we can conclude that the business owner doesn't use much of his income for his needs. He only consumes around 30 to 39% of his income for his all the needs and to lead his life. And here in the spend by city, we can see that in Mumbai, the business user spends around 12 million to credit card, and in Delhi 7 million, and in Delhi it's 7 million, in Bangalore also it's 7 million, and in Chennai the business owner spends around 5 million to credit card, and in Hyderabad also it's 5 million. And if we see about the freelancers, the average utilization percentage of freelancer is 45.80%. The total amount paid to credit card is 26 million, and the total amount paid through UPI is 24 million. And when it comes to income, the average income of a male freelancer is around 20 million, and the female is 7 million. And the average spending ratio is to 10 million for the male and 3 million for the female. And when it comes to utilization percentage, we can see that the freelancers in Delhi and Mumbai utilize most of their income for their needs and their purposes. And in Mumbai city, freelancers pay total of 7 million to credit card, and in Delhi it's around 5 million, and in Bangalore it's 6 million, and in Chennai it's 4 million, and Hyderabad 3 million. And let's say about the government employees. And utilization percentage of government employees is only 29%. So we consider that government employees doesn't use much of their income for their needs. And total amount paid to credit card is around only 16 million. And when it comes to average income, the average income of a government employee male is 30 million and the female is 8 million. And the average spend of a government employee male is 4 million and the female is 2 million. And when it comes to city considerations, the average income of a government employee in Bangalore is 4 million, In Chennai, it's 4.8 million. In Delhi, it's 3.445 million. In Hyderabad, it's 3.3 million. And the Mumbai, 5.15 million. When it comes to utilization percentage, you can see that the government employees are on average of 30% maximum for their needs. The total amount paid to credit card in Mumbai is 5 million, and in Delhi it's 3 million, Bangalore 3 million, Hyderabad 2 million, and Chennai 3 million. It is pretty much obvious that since the government employees doesn't use much of the income for utilization purposes, the amount paid by them through credit card and all the other payment methods will be less. And if we consider the salaried IT employees, the average utilization percentage is around 51%. The total amount paid to credit card is 101 million. So we consider that the salaried IT employees use credit card for most of their payments because the difference is very high between all the other payments. And the average income of salaried IT employee male is 44 million and the female is 35 million. And the average spending ratio is 24 million for the male and 16 million for the female. And when it comes to utilization percentage, we can see that the salaried IT employees uses average of around 45 to 50% of the income for utilization purposes. In city Mumbai, they use 61% of their income for their purposes and their needs. In Delhi, they use 56% of their income. And total amount paid to credit card in Mumbai is 33 million, and in Bangalore is 18 million. In Delhi is 23 million, and Chennai 15 million, and credit card 12 million. So we can consider that the main target of our credit card is salaried IT employees. And now let's see about the other employees. For all the rest of the employees or any other type of occupation, the utilization percentage is on 42.1%, and the amount paid to credit card is 37 million, and to pay is 23 million. And the average income of all the other occupation employees is around 21 million for the male and 14 million for the female. And the average spend is 9 million for the male and 5 million for the female. And when it comes to utilization percentage, the employees of other occupations uses around on an average of 35 to 45% of the income for their needs and all their life purposes. The total amount paid to credit card in Mumbai is 20 million, and in Chennai 7 million, in Bangalore 6 million, Delhi 8 million, and in Hyderabad it's 4 million. So if we compare all the occupations, we can see that the salaried IT employees are our main targets because this credit card for most of their payments and total amount paid by them through is also high. And now let's get into income analysis. In the income analysis, the average income including all the occupation and all the cities is around 207 million, and the average spending is 88 million. And the average individual income in all the cities and all the occupation is around 51.66, around 50,000. And when it comes to different cities and different occupations, the average income of business owners in all the cities is around 70,000, and the freelancers is around 35,000, and for the government employees it's 50 to 52,000. For the salaried IT employees it's around 60,000, and other employees it's 40,000 around. So we can see that the salaried IT employees earns more than all the other occupations. And when it comes to income, average income by city, the highest income ratio is honored by Mumbai and Chennai. It's around 56 million income in Mumbai and 43 million income in Chennai. And here we can see that the people of age 35 to 45 spends more, utilizes most of their income for their purposes. They spend around 46.72 percentage. And if we divide according to different cities, in Bengaluru, the people of age 35 to 45 spends around 50% of their income for their needs. And in Chennai, they spend around, and in Chennai, they spend around 33%. And in Delhi, they spend around 52% of their income for their needs. And in Hyderabad, it's 39%. And in Mumbai, it's 58%. So we can see that the 35 to 45 age group people in Mumbai and Bangalore spends most of the income for their needs. And let's get expenditure view. And here, let's change the filter. So the total amount spent in all the cities and all the occupation by approx is around 531 million. And the total amount spent by married person is 429 million, and the unmarried person or single is 102 million. And the male spent around 357 million, and the female spent around 174 million. And when it comes to category, the people spend most of the income for their bills. It's above 100 million. The people spend more than 100 million to pay bills using different payment methods. And next is groceries and for electronics. So we can consider that the people use their income for utilization purposes most for electronics, groceries, and bills. And when it comes to payment methods used for paying off for all these categories, here the yellow color represents the credit card, white color represents the debit card, and gray represents net banking, and dark gray represents UPI. So we can see that the most of the people or the most of the payments are made to credit card. We can majority of the payments are made to credit card. We can observe in this visual. And the total spend percentage by city and average group is in Mumbai, the people of age group 25 to 34 and 35 to 45 utilizes most of their income. And it's pretty obvious since they are youth and they may be married to take care of their family and for their children, they spend most of their income. In the income utilization view, the male utilizes their income about 44.39%, and the female utilizes 39.92% of their income, and the married person utilizes 43%, and the single utilizes 43%. And the average income is 207 million, and the average spend is 88 million. And when it comes to utilization percentage by cities, we can see that the people in Mumbai and Delhi utilizes most of their income. And when it comes to age group, as we discussed in the expenditure view, the people of age group between 35 to 45 and 25 to 34 spends most of their income. And it is also pretty obvious since they are youth, they spend most of their income.